Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique, and today I want to share with you a dessert recipe. I want to show you all how to make a fudge brownie heart-shaped cake. I found these cute heart-shaped cake pans at the store, so I thought it would be a nice idea for anyone who wants to make a cute dessert for their loved one, whether it's a significant other, a friend, or even your children, just to show someone how much you love them. Present them with a nice homemade heart-shaped cake. I call this a fudge brownie cake because every time I made this recipe, the middle of the cake is just a little bit more moist than normal. It's a little bit gooey and moist, and I actually like it. It reminds me of a brownie because, you know, brownies are gooey and moist in the center. So I call it a brownie cake. Or if you've been on my blog and you've already seen the recipe, because the recipe's been on my website for a while now, I just haven't made a video about it. But in the recipe on my website, I made cupcakes, fudge brownie cupcakes. So you don't have to make cakes if you want a cake if you don't want to. You can do a cupcake, heart-shaped cake, a circular cake, bundt cake, whatever you want to try. But today we're going to do a heart-shaped cake. I also love this recipe because you don't really have to feel guilty about eating this cake. The main ingredients are almonds and flax seeds. I use almond flour, ground flax seeds, a little bit of tapioca flour, and a few other ingredients. It's a wholesome cake that you can feel good about eating. You don't have to feel guilt afterwards. And one thing to note, this is a vegan and gluten-free cake, so the texture might be a little bit different than your normal cakes that you make from scratch with white flour, sugar and butter, eggs and all that. So the texture might be a little bit different, but it's still delicious. I've made this recipe a ton of times. I always love it. I choose not to add frosting to my cake. I kind of like cakes with no frosting, but if you have a favorite vegan frosting, oh, the cake is ready now. I have it baking in the oven. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh, if you have a favorite vegan frosting, you can use that on the cake, or you can eat it like I do with no frosting at all. Either way, it will be delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cake out of the oven, finish recording the last part of this video, and take some photographs for the blog post. I hope you liked the video. Leave me any comments or questions. Save the recipe on Pinterest so you can make it later. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Kiss on the cheek, on the roof of her apartment. Walls and mountains divide us in two. God damn it, I'm still in love with you. I don't think it gets any worse than this. I hope not, and I hope not. In a dream I had, first time on the coast, by the ocean, somewhere in Oregon. Walls and mountains divide us in two. God damn it, I'm still in love with
Hi everyone, it's Monique and I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you give this recipe a try. This fudge dark chocolate brownie cake is so delicious. I've made it a ton of times. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I usually make cupcakes, but this time I just wanted to make a cute little heart-shaped cake. And honestly, the video does not do the cake justice. It doesn't really show how moist the cake is. This cake is super moist, especially for it to be vegan and gluten-free, because a lot of people think that vegan gluten-free desserts are just like cardboard, dry, bland desserts. But this is not one of those desserts. This is delicious. It's soft, it's moist, and it's flavorful, and you don't have to feel guilty about eating it. So, for those of you who celebrate the holidays, if you want to make your loved one a nice dessert, I definitely suggest this cake. They won't feel guilty about eating it at all. You saw the ingredients we used. So please save the recipe on Pinterest and give it a try. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.